Yun, sino kaya guys mananalo? South Sudan versus USA. Hirapan yung US nito guys kasi lamang sila from first quarter, second quarter to third quarter yung South Sudan. Yan guys, oh. Yan, si Holiday. Right. Pwede yan kung papaulin nila. Patay! Paul pa. Walang Paul. Nanalo yung Sudan. Talo pala yung South Sudan. Ayan. Pero galing. Half shot lang. Half shot. Ayan. Galing din ng South Sudan May pa yun guys, ang mga babata pa niyan. May hinog din yan sa panahon. Alright guys, see you sa Olympics. South Sudan versus USA. Nanalo yung USA. Pero half shot lang. Yan o. Yan. Wala pa. Yan guys oh. Ako, nagmintis lang oh. Ang galing sana. Yan. Dadang sana yan. Wala. Ayun. Okay lang sa kanila yan. This is sportsmanship. See you guys, Olympics. Good morning. Tatang Brown, 101 over 100 nanalo si US. Good morning guys.